Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I filmed a quick Onam makeup look for you guys. So I'll be starting off with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Primer. I'll be using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette for this look, and I'll be starting with the shade Ripe and buffing that into my crease using the Sigma E25 brush. Then I'll be using the shade in the bottom corner, which is called as Antique. It's a nice deep brown to deepen up the crease shade. Now for my eyelids, I'll be first picking up the shade Blaze and applying that all over my eyelids using a brush. It's a very crumbly shade, so if you want you can use glitter glue with it. Over the top of that, I will be going with the shade Imperia, which is more gold toned. So I think both together look really pretty. And then for eyeliner, I'm using my Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner to create a nice little winged eyeliner. Now for my face, I'll be starting off with the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. I generally use these when my face looks really dull, like I haven't slept well and taken care of my skin. So this somehow works for me when I use it as a base. And for the foundation, I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I finally jumped on the bandwagon and bought this foundation, and I really like how it looks on my face, and even the shade match somehow seems good. I'm applying it with the Real Techniques Insta Pop brush. I think this brush applies foundation really well. Then for concealer, I'm picking up my Too Faced Born This Way, the multi sculpt concealer. It's my favorite concealer right now. And just applying a couple of dots under my eye. I have already color corrected, which is, I think I used the Makeup Revolution orange corrector because I had really bad dark circles. And then I applied the concealer and I'm blending with just a regular beauty sponge. So for blush today, I'm picking up this cream blush from LYS Beauty. It's in the shade Passion, and first up tapping it on my cheeks with and blending it with my finger. And if you find your blush to be too dark at this point, as cream blushes sometimes do that, you can take your foundation brush, the one that you use to apply your foundation, and buff it in to make it look more muted. So I'm skipping contour today and just setting my face with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder, and I'm in the shade medium. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going back into the dark brown that I had used in my crease and just using a pencil brush and applying it on my lower lash line. For a change, I usually stop here. For a change, I did line my lower lash line using the same Sigma gel liner, but I did it off camera, and then I blended it again with the same brown color to make it look nice and smooth and smoky and seamless. So this is the eye is done. I did my mascara off camera, and for lips I've used this concoction which I'm going into next. So first I lined my lips with a lip liner from KKW Beauty. Next, I went into this nude lipstick from Propa Beauty. It's in the shade Victress. Propa Beauty is a nice indie brand. It's a woman-owned brand, and I really love their lipsticks. So I first used the shade Victress, then I blotted it out because it's a satin lipstick. I blotted it out with a tissue, and then went in with the shade Audacious, I believe. Just it's a more so berry tone shade, and I used that to kind of make the whole thing look like a nice mauve toned nude. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.